Ever pondered over the intriguing world of content creators and wondered how they turn their creative prowess into a steady stream of income? Well, it's not as enigmatic as it seems. Today, we delve into the diverse ways these modern-day artists monetize their craft. First up on the roster is the growth of a social media following. In the digital era, followers equate to currency. A strong follower base not only gives creators a platform to showcase their work, but also acts as a magnet for brands looking for influential partnerships. Next up is collaboration. Two heads are indeed better than one, especially when it comes to content creation. Collaborating with other creators or even brands can often lead to a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit, fostering a more expansive reach and increased revenue opportunities. Ever heard of the saying, if you're good at something, never do it for free? Well, that's precisely the mantra content creators follow when they decide to sell their products. Be it digital art, ebooks, online courses, or even merchandise, creators are leveraging their skills and follower base to sell products directly to their audience. Then there's Patreon, a platform that has revolutionized the way creators earn. It allows fans to directly support their favorite creators through a subscription-based model, providing creators a consistent income while offering fans exclusive content and experiences. Securing brand sponsorships is another lucrative avenue for creators. Brands are always on the hunt for influential voices to promote their products, and content creators with a loyal following are the perfect candidates. Not to forget the platform creator funds. Many social media platforms have established funds to pay creators directly for their content based on views and engagement. This provides creators an additional income stream, rewarding them for their popular content. Affiliate marketing is another popular strategy where creators partner with brands to promote products and earn a commission on sales made through their unique referral link. Lastly, there's the relatively new concept of monetizing Instagram subscriptions. This allows creators to offer exclusive content to their subscribers for a small fee, providing yet another income stream. In a nutshell, content creators in the digital age have a plethora of options to monetize their craft. They grow their social media following, collaborate with others, sell their products, use Patreon, secure brand sponsorships, join platform creator funds, engage in affiliate marketing, and monetize Instagram subscriptions. The key to success lies in diversifying income streams and leveraging different platforms to maximize earning potential in the evolving creator economy. This is the fascinating world of content creation and monetization, where creativity meets commerce.